Today I'm going to show you how to put on a front mud guard for the Polestar 3. You're going to need, obviously, the mud guard. It comes with 3 screws, which we're going to use to replace the ones that are in the car, and a 1/8 Allen wrench. 1/8. So let's get started. All right, so first thing you want to do is there are 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. And you want to remove those screws. Now, what you can do is to make life easier is turn the wheel so that you have space. My Allen wrench is small enough, it fits, no problem, but you can turn the wheel to make it easier. So let's get started with removing those screws. All right, something to note. When you remove the 3 screws, make sure you don't mix them up with the old ones. The kit comes with 3 screws, they're longer. Those are the ones we're gonna use. Make sure you place the old ones aside so you don't mix them up. Once those screws are removed, you're gonna take the trim piece. It's gonna be just like that. Make sure the textured side is facing the back of the car. And then you're gonna have to hold and push this trim piece in just a little bit for the holes to line up. And then you just take the screws and you're gonna one by one line them up and put them in. And I'll show you the final product. So it's gonna be a little hard doing it with one hand, but you can see there, the holes aren't perfectly lined up. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna push that trim piece in just a little bit, and then you can put in your screws. Let me show you how to do that. Now, what I like to do is I first like to hand tighten. So we're gonna try to find it. There we go. Again, I'm just pushing in a little bit to line it up. I'm just gonna hand tighten these first, and then we'll move forward with tightening up. I just wanna make sure everything is nice. The screws are straight and everything fits, and it looks like it is so far. And finally, the last screw is going to be right over here. There we go. Okay, now once that's hand tightened, all you're going to do is take your Allen wrench and tighten everything up. All right, make sure it's just hand tight. You don't want to strip the screw, so it's just to be hand tight. Once you're done, this is what it's going to look like. Now, these are the Polestar Mudflaps. They are not aftermarket. They're from Polestar. I don't think there are any aftermarkets available at the moment, but not a bad look. I like it. It should help with anything coming splashing onto the side of the car, and kind of gives it that really nice kind of, that utility look without, being too ostentatious. Now, the next video is going to be for the rear mud flaps, so stay tuned. And I think those look really good.